BMW E46 S62 V8 swap. First start and first drive. Now, I know what you're thinking. I already have a video of the first startup. That one does not count because we were using shit quality products in which ultimately led to oil pressure loss. The very same night that I lost oil pressure, I began the teardown process of this project and started from square one. So allow me to share the revisions I had to do, and then we'll drive this car. Long awaited, let's get into it. The company in question is these guys right here, Cybil of Poland. They offer a swap kit for both E46 and E36 when it comes to the S62 engine. Absolute Mickey Mouse clown show, terrible quality parts. Do not buy that swap kit. Please just trust me on this. It is not worth it. You can see the rust forming on this oil pan. That is because I've had this sitting outside where it belongs. You, Cybil. If you watch the video of me discussing this and the other videos showing the problems, you will understand very well where I'm coming from. So what I did was I went back to the original oiling system, which came from the E39 M5. All original parts down here. I had to extensively modify the E46 front subframe, the steering rack, and other components. Long story short, I was able to make all the original parts work, so now the stress is absolutely gone. Okay, I'll give some credit here to Cybil, because I used their engine mounts, but only after hacking them up and re-drilling the holes and modifying the shit out of them, I was able to use them. Once again, absolute Mickey Mouse clown show. But it all works, so whatever. I had to remake some hoses. This power steering return hose here, I remade this. Had to make my own high pressure hose. This is PTFE AN line with steel fittings on the ends. When it comes to the high pressure power steering hose, it sees upwards of 2,000 PSI in pressure. So you must make sure the hose is going to withstand that. This is actually even temporary itself. This is not going to be here forever because this can eventually fail from heat and the extreme pressure. So I'll be sourcing different hose, but for now it's not leaking. Right here you can see the fitting on the steering rack. Once again, it is steel and it is a 90-degree fitting. Right here is my oil filter. I purposely made these hoses to avoid it so I can get easy access and change my oil. The oil filter is threaded onto a special sandwich plate. It is a relocation kit, so you don't have to use that big bulky original oil filter housing. Further steering modifications would include this steering shaft right here. If you remember, I made a custom steering shaft. It would no longer work since the Cybil kit fucked me. So I went back to an original steering shaft and I sourced this slim steering coupler from Condor Speed Shop. As you can see, it fits. I had to dent my freaking exhaust manifold, but it is tight, but there is plenty of clearance there. And then the shifter assembly, I had to make another new custom selector rod. The one I previously made would not work, so I made a new one. You can also see the drive shaft right here, which once again needed revisions. I had one previously made, would no longer work, so I had to buy a new drive shaft. This one fits beautifully, all works out great. The cooling system also needed reworked. This upper hose, I had to remake that for tighter tolerances to the engine. I went with a pusher style fan setup versus the original polar fan style. I did so by installing a Spall fan into an original E46 fan shroud. Doing that allowed retention of the bypass flaps, which are definitely good to have. There are larger ones in the bottom of the shroud. You can see them down here in the bumper. You can see them right here. Okay, that is enough talking and enough bitching on my part. Let's give this engine a proper first startup, get the car outside, and drive the damn thing. E46 S62 swap, first start. So I think we're just gonna try to spin it. So if you just want to go to the, I'll push the back, you push the, yeah, all right, careful now. This thing will go crazy.
Oh God, do I keep pushing?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sliding.
Easy. finally come. That's all tire spin. Zero traction.
Oh my god.
Holy fucking shit.
Smell it.
Zero traction. Oh my god. What the hell did I build? I can't believe this. That's a small taste for now. Zero traction at all, baby. No,
I can smell the burning rubber.
no traction whatsoever.
Jesus Christ.
Holy smokes. Here we are in the interior of the S62 swapped E46. This will be the first drive by myself. We're going to go to the gas station and put some fuel in this thing, so let's do it. All this work over the past year, so far the car feels amazing. So smooth, no vibrations at all. Holy shit. Let's try that again. I got a new phone set up now. So far, this car is exactly what I wanted. Wow. Such brutal power. Oh, I love it. I love this car. Yeah, gonna need some new tires, that's for sure. So this thing has no traction right now. Oh my god. God damn! All that work is so worth it. All that trouble I had, all those mishaps, all those misfortunes, all the worries are now gone. This is exactly what I wanted. Oh, everything feels perfect. Of the S62 and the sounds it makes, this is a symphony. This is absolutely, I can't explain. I cannot put it into words. Whenever you build a car from the ground up and just put all this time and effort into something and it works out the way you want it to, there's honestly no better feeling in the world, man. This is, and I'm driving it. I'm driving this car right now. Power on tap, baby. It's alive. What a car, man. What a freaking car. I am finally satisfied. That is all for tonight's video. Now, I told you I did not care what it takes. This car was going to be running and driving with a S62 V8 engine, and we accomplished it. I have owned this car since 2017. It's been through various different revisions, engines, and all this stuff that I've been playing with. But I just knew there was something more that I was trying to get from the vehicle, and I finally am happy. I'm satisfied. Nothing will compare. This is the engine for this car. I am in love. I can't quit thinking about it. I just want to keep driving it. It feels, to me, perfect. It's everything I ever wanted from an E46. We did it. Hopefully you enjoy the content. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next one. Catch you later.